Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black lens tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3477A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.